Hey beautiful, it's your girl Choreo here, dance instructor and physiotherapist. I've been doing a 10-day countdown to Jamaica Carnival 2023. I've been dropping gems, I've been dropping tricks that can make you look hot and sexy on the road like a hot, sexy, elegant bad girl like myself. Yeah, I can only teach you from a place of wisdom, honey. The next question is, with regards to my video, Jamaican Dance Moves for Women, it's gotten like a whole heap of views. Like, I kid you not, it's probably over 1 million views, if not 1 million already. 5 fabulous Jamaican dance moves. You make it seem so effortless. Now, how can I walk out confidently and take on the dance floor? Let me tell you, I've been dancing for years. I'm going to age myself a little bit. I've been dancing professionally for 15 years. I know I don't look it because I take care of myself. I'm a diet, I'm a good gym and all these nice things. But I've been dancing for years, and so the confidence comes with experience. Even as a professional dancer, sometimes before a stage performance, I will get a little nervous. That doesn't mean that I don't have the confidence, but these things come with practice. And as a person who is not on the stage, here's what I'm going to recommend for you, baby. Mirror therapy. Stand up, look into a mirror, make that eye connection, and do your movements in front of the mirror. The next thing I'm going to advise you to do is record yourself while you're dancing. Don't make anybody else see you. Record yourself and then delete it. If you don't like it, delete it. And then practice again in front of the mirror. Then record yourself again and say, I look good when I do it from this angle. Okay, cool. When you get confident enough, you're going to ask a good friend, a good family member, whoever it is that you trust, with a capital T-R-U-S-T, to look at you dancing and tell you, do I look okay? Will I get his attention or her attention? Whatever you into, baby, I don't judge, right? And then that's how you're going to develop confidence. When you practice, you become confident, and that makes you sexy, baby, all right? So I will see you on my Carnival Friday dance class. It's going to be April 14th right here in Jamaica. Look at the information below. Click the link in my bio if you're on Instagram or TikTok. I will be dropping the links below if you are here on YouTube. Big up yourselves. Mwah.